The OnePlus 13 is going global next month, after having been announced for China at the end of October. The flagship is likely to be joined at the same event by the OnePlus 13R, the successor to the 12R, as a more affordable, yet still high-end option. This is probably a rebranded OnePlus Ace 5, which is due to arrive in China this month. And today the 13R specs have been leaked. It is said to come with a 6.78-inch 1264 by 2780 AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and better peak brightness than the 12R, though exactly how bright it will be isn't mentioned. At the helm will sit the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage in one configuration, but there will apparently be two more. On the rear will be a triple camera setup with two 50MP sensors and one 8MP snapper. Although not detailed in the leak, we assume the main camera is 50MP, and so is a telephoto, most likely 2x or 3x, while the ultrawide is 8MP. The OnePlus 13R is allegedly going to have a 6,000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support, while the battery is an upgrade over its predecessor's 5,500 mAh cell. The charging goes down from 100W. The phone will unsurprisingly run OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15 out of the box. Its in-display fingerprint sensor will be of the optical variety, not ultrasonic as in the OnePlus 13. The 13R measures 161.72 by 75.77 by 8.02 millimeters, which means it's ever so slightly shorter and thinner than the 12R. It's also 1 gram lighter. It will be offered in two color versions called Nebula Noir and Astral Trail.